Hi, I'm Angus. I'm a co-founder in the software industry and I give TypeForm a 4 out of 5 stars. I used FormStack to begin with because it wants the calculation feature. I was wanting potential customers when filling in a form to contact us. I was wanting to give them an estimation quote. When the work was bespoke, and so I needed some kind of advanced technology-ish that Typeform didn't have, but I could do that with FormStack, where you could do basic mathematical calculations that could cost up jobs that I had on the form, and it would be user friendly for my customers. But then I basically gave up doing that because it was complicated. So I kind of just went with Typeform because it was simple. Didn't really have all the features I wanted. 3 reasons I chose Typeform was it was easy to use, number one. Number two, I at first liked the designs, the look of the designs. Number three, it was fairly affordable. I felt that it was a bit overpriced, but still within budget. That's why I went with it. I found it pretty simple to use. There wasn't much of a learning process, so you could set up what you needed as long as you weren't after anything too complicated. So yeah, simple, I'd say, easy to use. Establish what you need the form to do. Do you just need it to gather some basic contact details from potential clients, or do you actually need to do more advanced stuff? Do you want to price up jobs, bespoke jobs? Do you want to calculate the costs of your services, etc.? So it depends what you need it to do. Work out what you want the form for, and I'd say just have a look at their feature list. If you think your form is simple enough and the features are there, I'd say you should go for it. If you want something that will stand out, be completely unique, that's when I'd probably say to look elsewhere. If you don't, because it still has that sort of Typeform look that it's difficult to kind of like customize to look completely unique. It's always going to look like a Typeform, the way it flows and everything like that. You can kind of tell it's a Typeform form. That could be fine. So yeah, that's what I'd say.